Magandang araw mga bata. After learning the preliminaries in adding and subtracting fractions na ginawa nyo sa Activity 1, Activity 2 at Activity 3, we are now ready to add or subtract fractions. Okay, sa Activity 4, sabi dito, find the sum or difference of the following fractions and reduce the answer to its lowest term if possible. So, we're going to add similar fractions. So, I think you still remember similar fractions. They have the same denominator. So, step 1, add the numerators. So, yung 4 plus 2, 6. Step 2, copy the common denominators. So, alin ba denominator? Yung 8. So, you're just going to copy. So, kaya 8 pa rin. And step 3, simplify your answer if possible. Ito yung ginawa nyo sa activity 1. 6/8, find the GCF. Ano yung GCF? The GCF is 2. Alam nyo naman kung paano pagkuha ng GCF kasi nag-solve na kayo sa activity 1. So, 6 divided by 2, we have 3. 8 divided by 2, we have 4. So, the answer on this problem, 4 plus 8, 4 8s plus 2 8s equals 6 8s. The final answer is 3/4. Kapag ang sagot nyo dito, 6 8s, mali kayo. Kailangan kasi, mas simplify pa siya. So, ma-lowest term. But what if we're going to subtract? So, madali lang naman yun. So, instead lang na you add, you subtract. So, 4 minus 2, we have 2. You will also copy the common denominators. So, 8 pa rin. And simplify your answer if possible. So, what is the GCF? 2 pa rin. 2 divided by 2, we have 1. So, the final answer for this is 1/4. So, but what if we're going to add or subtract dissimilar fractions? So, dissimilar na tayo. Just like this, they have different denominators. So, what are we going to do? Hindi mo siya pwedeng i-add kasi magkaiba. So, ano yung gagawin natin? So, you will have to make these similar fractions. So, change the fraction to similar fractions. Natatandaan nyo ba yung activity 3? So, yun yung gagamitin niyo dito. Okay? So, we have 5/8 and 1/3. Step 1, in changing fractions to similar fractions, you will find the LCD. Yun naman yung ginawa nyo sa activity 2. Hahanapin nyo ang LCD ng 8 at saka 3. So, ang LCD niya ay 24. So, think in what number will you multiply 8 to get 24? So, 3. So, pag minultiply mo to sa 3, multiply din yun sa 3. 5 times 3, we have 15. Think, in what number will you multiply 3 to get 24? 3 times 8. So, it means you will also multiply this by 8. So, the answer is this one. So, since they are now similar, you can proceed to step 2. Add the numerators. So, i-add na natin. 15 plus 8, we have 23. Then, copy the common denominators. Ang denominator na niya, 24. So, you will copy. So, step 3, simplify your answer if possible. So, ilo-lowest term natin dito. Kailangan pa ba? So, hindi na kasi naka-lowest term na siya dahil magkasunod yung numerator at denominator. So, it means the answer here is 23/24. Okay? What if we're going to subtract? So, simple lang. So, ganun pa rin yung process. Instead lang na you add, you will subtract. 15 minus 8, we have 7. So, instead na 23/24, 7/24 ang sagot. So, yung napalitan lang to. Naging subtract lang. But what if we have a whole number. Mixed number ang given. Dissimilar fraction siya, then may whole number. So, madali lang siya. So, change the fraction to similar. Huwag mo munang pansinin yung whole number. Add the numerators, 23. Copy the common denominators. We have 24. Then, add the whole numbers. At saka mo i-add yung whole number. 8 plus 3, we have 11. Then, simplify your answer if possible. So, that will be the final answer. So, kahit may whole number siya, huli naman nating ina-add yun. So, I hope everything is clear, maliwanag na hanggang activity 4. Okay? So, it means in our learning activity cell 1.4, you're going to answer activity 1, activity 2, activity 3, and activity 4. Happy learning!